Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So this is the second video, as I said. I was not able to do it yesterday, but I'm doing it now. So basically this is going to be Nottingham versus Arsenal and Aston Villa versus Everton. It's a combined reaction video. So let's get on with it very quickly. So let's start on with Nottingham Forest game. So yeah, away game from Arsenal. Again it happened on Saturday night, 11 o'clock IST, and yeah, over there it will be a 7 o'clock kickoff in UK. So talking about the game, both teams played well. Arsenal obviously went there with the mindset of getting a win there, getting the crucial 3 point. That's what Arsenal aimed for, but actually the results is Nottingham 0, Arsenal 0. So it's a draw for both teams, but both the teams get 1 point. Arsenal extend their lead up on the top of the table, and very slowly Aston Villa is creeping behind, and so is Aston Villa, Man City, and very slowly Chelsea also, and Liverpool and Man United also. But Man United is still long way to go. So long way to go for Man United. But other than that, Chelsea, Liverpool, Aston Villa, Man City creeping up behind Arsenal. Let's talk about Nottingham Forest. Team played well. As I said, both teams had their chances, weren't able to convert it. Nottingham Forest had their chances, but good goalkeeping from David Raya. And similarly for Arsenal also, again, one was a Gabriel Martinelli open chance. That also he missed from a simple goal. It just missed the post. Then another Victor Gyökeres, he couldn't tap it into the goal. Not tap in, he couldn't finish it basically. Another opportunity from Trossard. He could not finish it either. So yeah, a lot of chances put to waste from Arsenal. Goalkeeping obviously from Nottingham was good. Matt Sells on top of his game. He made a very good save to deny one of the Arsenal players. I think it was probably Bukayo Saka or Ben White. But yeah, one of those players. Yeah, but yeah, very good goalkeeping from Matt Sells, underrated keeper. And talking about game otherwise, nothing much to show for, like both the teams. So if see Nottingham Forest, they are on a different track altogether, but they can compete for the European football next season, and they can do that. They have a very good team. So far Sean Dyche has cooked. He has cooked in recent times. Recent times means recent matches. Although there are mix of draws, losses and wins. But apart from that, I think they are a capable team of reaching at least European football for next season. Maybe Conference League, or maybe, I don't know, Europa League. Europa League little bit tricky, but maybe definitely Conference League. So let's see what happens. Arsenal, if they are serious about the title, they need to buck up their game and get those 3 points in the next game. It's against Man United on the weekend. Home game for them. So let's see what happens. Obviously Arsenal has a tough fixture, but anything can happen in a game of football.